Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use board templates in Monday.com. A board template is a pre-designed board that saves time. It comes with ready-made columns, automations, and views for workflows like project management, CRM, marketing, and more. Before selecting a template, consider your team's workflow and the type of project. Choosing the right template upfront can save hours of setup time and prevent unnecessary edits later. To use a template, click the plus, then select Board and tap Start with Template. Browse categories like Marketing, Project Management, Sales, or HR. Click a template to preview it, then hit Use Template. Once added, you can customize your board, rename it, add or remove columns, groups, or items, and adjust automations to fit your workflow. Extra tip: automations can help reduce repetitive tasks like status updates, notifications, or task assignments. Take a moment to review and adjust them to suit your team's needs. Your board is now ready. Add team members, assign tasks, and use views like Kanban, Timeline, or Calendar to organize your work. Tips: templates save time, maintain consistency, and you can duplicate boards to reuse for similar projects. Explore the Template Center for more ideas. Periodically review your duplicated boards to make sure automations and columns still align with your current workflow. This keeps your boards efficient and up to date. And that's it. Using board templates makes managing projects fast, simple, and efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.